Simplify the following. If you remember, the order of operations is parentheses and then exponents, and then we'll go ahead and do multiplication and division left to right, and same thing with addition and subtraction left to right. So I will treat my absolute values like they're parentheses. And then, to save a little bit of time, since my exponent here is separated by a plus, I can actually do these at the same time. So I'm going to rewrite anything that I don't use yet, like the 10 minus 2 times negative 16 divided by, and then 4 squared is 16, plus, and I'll rewrite my absolute value symbols, but place 2 minus 10, which is negative 8, inside. Now, looking at this new statement, we have our absolute values, which is like a parenthesis, so I need to do that. But then I can also do multiplication and division at the same time. So I'll go ahead and do this multiplication, but I don't want to do the division as well. I want to work left to right. So this gives me 10, and then a negative 2 times a negative 16 is a positive 32 divided by 16, plus, and then the absolute value of negative 8 is 8. So now, looking left to right, I do still have division, so I am going to work this division problem. So I have 10 plus 32 divided by 16 is 2, and then plus 8. So finally, 10 plus 2 is 12, plus 8 is 20.